Hi everyone, I am Judhisti and welcome to Judhisti Rahul. Today we will see the conversation between two strangers in a bus stand. That means the bus is a bit of late. That is why they are getting frustration. Being strangers, how they are making a conversation between them by taking the late of the bus. So that is why you watch this video completely, you will get an idea how can make a conversation with strangers in a bus stand. If you are new over this channel, then don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel, because you will get this type of contents and this type of videos whenever I'm going to upload the video on my channel. So let's get going with the conversation. It seems the bus is quite late. Are you waiting for the same bus that arrives at 2 o'clock? Yes, you too? Yes, the bus usually arrives on time, but today is quite late. It has been 10 minutes already. Yes, I had to reach in my office in half an hour. It seems like I will be late today. Oh, I am attending my cousin's wedding, and it looks like I will not reach at venue on time. Oh goodness, hope the bus arrives early now. If this keeps on happening, then I will be late for the office every day and I have to find an alternative way. It should be arriving any moment. Yeah, hope so. Don't worry, sir, and you won't have to worry anymore. Why do you say so? Look, the bus has arrived. Oh, thank God. Have a great day, sir. You too. How was the conversation between two strangers in a bus stand while they are waiting for a bus? If you do love the conversation, then don't forget to write in the comment section, because I would love to read your comments every day and every minute. We'll meet in the next video. Tab tak ke liye stay safe and stay